more tools over here. That's my voice. That's my die holder. This one, die holders. My cutter, pliers, nose pliers, nut bolts, punches. A bunch of punches. I have too much tools. That's for the die holder. Small one, big one. I made this one, homemade die holder, bigger one. That's made from socket, bigger socket, 32 millimeter socket. I use this too. Die holder, it's very strong, very strong. Remove my tools over here. Some brushes, some chargers, pipe cutter, small one, pipe wrenches. These are my pliers, this is blower, and borrow. This is for electric cutter, the wire cutter. This one, cut the wires. These are 4-inch. What is used one? Discs for wood, for iron. This is also 5-inch sander. Here's my hammer. This is my grinder, 4-inch grinder. This one. Hammers. This mallet, the 2 heavy hammers, and then small one over down there. My saw, wood saw. Screwdrivers I use from here for quick grab. If I need something, I grab tools from here quickly. My spray cans, WD-40, some paint, my nut bolts, more nut bolts. These are all nut bolts, all kind of nut bolts. There are washers, all sizes of washer over here, and more nut bolts are down there. Some my dies, my drills, my vernier caliper. This vernier caliper.